Hi, my name is Mike Collins and I'm from Collins Property Managers in Jacksonville, Florida. And today we're going to talk about evictions and some advice from a Jacksonville property manager. The first thing that you want to do is, if you have a problem tenant, you want to make sure that you have documented all the conversations you've had with the tenant. You've documented the exact dates that the rent has been paid. You've documented any damage that has been done with as much specific information as possible. You want to avoid any emotional statements or comments when you do that in the actual written word that you have on there. Secondly, you need to know the eviction process, what it is. I'm assuming in most cases that you're going to evict a tenant because of either damage to your home or because they are late with the rent, or both. Frequently, unfortunately, they come hand in hand. It takes up to about 60 days to do an eviction in the Jacksonville, Florida area. The court systems for all the counties in Northeast Florida are basically the same superior court, so it's the same court system, the same documents are needed. What you're also going to need to do is go online and get a copy of the state tenant landlord law, which tells you pretty much what your rights are and what a tenant's rights are. You have to be careful with that, because when you go to court, it's going to depend not so much on what's written in that law, but how the judge interprets the law. That is a key. The next thing is you have to deliver an official 3-day notice. The 3-day notice can be obtained from your local sheriff's office. You can just go to your county courthouse or a local sheriff's office near where you live and ask the desk sergeant for an eviction pack or packet, and they have a nice packet that they'll give to you. You can also go online if you like to find that, you can go to myflorida.com and find it through that website as well. You can also get some advice from the local sheriff's office in terms of what the procedure is, and they'll go over that with you. I must say it's a very time-consuming process. You're going to need to take time off from work, time off from your family to do it, and it's not a pleasant exercise by any means. Lastly, number 4, what I would suggest that you do is hire an attorney. There are many attorneys in the Jacksonville area that would help you. Your fees are going to be in the legal fees are going to be in the $350 to $400 range, depending on which county you live in. You're also going to, if you have an attorney will take on the work for an additional $500 to $800, and it will be a tremendous help to you. In the future, my strong advice to you is to hire a professional property management company to manage the property for you, and so that you don't get in the mess that you might be in at this time. I certainly sympathize with you. It's not a pleasant process, but if you're thorough and you document everything and you seek legal advice, you'll be able to get through it, and then hire a property manager. If you need any advice or you'd like to talk to us about it, please give us a call. I'm Mike Collins from Collins Property Managers in Jacksonville, Florida.